Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a game in Scratch whose name is Apple Catcher. Let's start. First of all, delete the sprite from here. And to choose a sprite, click here and choose the apple from here. Now you have to choose bowl, so where you can catch the apples. Now you have to choose the backdrop and that will be your choice, like which backdrop you want to choose for your project. So I'm choosing this one. And you can decrease the size of your apple because it's looking like your bowl size is smaller than the apple size, and here you can increase it. Yes, no, it's fine. Now what to do? You have to start coding for the apple, so you have to click here for the apple now and click on events and choose when green flag click to start any project. Now you have to set the go to random position so that your apple will go in the random position. You can see it doesn't want like it will move in the whole screen. You want it will be move only in the y-axis, so you can choose set y2 and the position I measured, so 175 will be fine for this project. Yes, now you can see your apple is moving randomly but on the y-axis. Next again you have to choose when green flag clicked here, then you have to change the y position of your apple. So let's make it -9. So I'm taking a negative value here. Then choose the forever so that you can repeat it for forever until you will stop it. Forever is a loop here. Then there you have to use a statement that is if then and put this if then after change y but inside the forever. Here you can set the condition like what do you want. So we want click on sensing and choose touching mouse pointer. Let's change the mouse pointer to bow where we have to put the apples. Now you want like it will move in the random position, but you also want to set its y. So set y to 180. Okay. Next again you have to choose the same block if then, after if then and inside the forever. Choose y position. So if your y position will be lesser than, you have to add a value here. So I'm doing it 170. Okay, let's take the negative because you have to go in the top to bottom. So if your y position is less than -170, then what will happen? Again, it will go to the random position from the same block motion. Go to random position and set y to 180. Okay, done. Next, you have to code for your bowl. So you can see by clicking on this green flag, we can run the program, and here you can see your apple is falling from top to bottom, and it is continuously working like this because we have chose the forever block here, and also we have set two conditions like if your apple will touch the bowl, then it will go to the random position. You can see, and its y position will be 180, like it will go again back to the top position. And the second condition is if your y position is less than -170, so it will go to the random position also. And -170 is the bottom position. Next, you can do one thing, you can create a variable so that also your score will increase here. So here is the option to make a variable. So you can create your variable here. So I want to create a variable for score. So let's write score here and create a variable. And you have to put this variable after when green flag clicked and change it to score. And let it be 0 because whenever you will start a new game, so your score will be 0. Otherwise, you lost. You are just playing a game and again you want to play it again. So the score will be start moving from the last score. And I also have to put change my variable, so you can put it after set y to 180 and change it to score also. See here, no score, but when you touch the ball, your score increased by 1. So this is the code for Apple, but one thing you can do also, you can click on sound and you can choose play jump sound until done. So that can happen when Apple touches the ball. See, when my Apple is touching the ball, it is making jump sound. Yes. Now we have to code for the bowl. So how we can move our bowl here and there. So for that we have to code now. So how we can code? First of all, again, to start any project, choose when green flag lit. So let's choose the forever first. And now choose if then. And I'm choosing if then for the two times because I have to set the two conditions at the same time. Click on sensing to choose key space pressed. Because your ball doesn't have to go up and down, only left and right. So let's make it right arrow and let's make it left arrow. Now we have to do code for it. So if you will press the right arrow, so where you have to go, you have to change your x-axis. Now I'm talking about x-axis, not y, because we are choosing the y when we have to work with the apple, so that your apple can move top to bottom, top to bottom. But here you have to move your ball to catch the apple left to right and right to left. So here you have to choose the x position. So now you can write change x to, so here is the block change x by, and also you have to put the same change x by. But here you have to take the positive value because right will be positive, and here you have to choose a negative x-axis, so that will be -10. Now you can see the game. And also you can see your score is increasing. So this is the basic game of apple catcher. We can also add the score part in this game. So we can do what? When we can create a new sprite here and we can write u1, and we can resize it, we can style it according to our choice, and we can color it also by our choice. So this purple is not highlighting on my backdrop, so I'm choosing another color. So you just need to click here and choose a color which suit to you want. And one thing you can also do, you can just choose the select option here and you can go here and you can choose the two colors at the same time also. Okay, now you have to code for it. So first of all, click on events and choose when green flag clicked, but you have to make it hide from the loop so that it will be not shown on your screen while your game is started. When the condition you have to set here, you have to wait until up to your score, your score is equals to 10. So here is the variables, and first of all we have to go in operators and we have to choose the equals to sign, choose the variable and choose score here. So if your score is equals to 20, your score will increase, and also here you like after doing this you have to show it so that it will show your score part in your screen. And then to end this program, just go in control and there it is, stop all. Let's see how does it work. Okay, so now you can see it is showing me you won. So this is the game Apple Catcher and I hope you like it. See you in the next tutorial with the new game.